Okay, after replacing the fuse block here and repairing all the wires, after checking all the fuses in the dash, or the glove box technically, after looking underneath the relay that's underneath the cabin air filter, after I was told to check the fuses and the fuel relay that's under here, which I don't believe those are fuel relays with what I found so far. Finally turned out, after I repaired, it was the fuel pump. And here it is. It lives again. Alrighty.